Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to boot iPad mini 4 into recovery mode. I will also show you how to boot into DFU mode. So let's get started. First of all, connect your iPad to PC. Now press the power button and home button at the same time. Keep holding these two buttons until your phone is booted into recovery. Now I am still holding the two buttons, power and home button, until I see the recovery screen. Keep holding. Now as you can see, iPad is now in the recovery mode. Now you can restore using iTunes. Now to exit the recovery mode, press the power and home button again for a few seconds. Now you can leave the buttons and your phone will boot into normal recovery mode. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now I will show you how to enter DFU mode. It is also similar. Now you need to hold the power and home button. Now connect your iPad to PC. Now keep power and home buttons together, and when screen turns black, leave the power button and keep holding the home button until you hear a voice from your PC. Now as you can see, your iPad is now in DFU mode. Now to exit the DFU mode, again hold the power button and home button together for a few seconds. Now your iPad is booted into normal mode. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.